Oh, buntis ka. Ay, good afternoon po.
Kuya, parang kilala kita. Ikaw ba yung vlogger?
Vlogger yan?
Parang kilala ko si Kuya.
Kuya, vlogger ka?
Vlogger?
Siya.
Content creator?
Yeah. Kilala kita, Kuya.
Hmm?
You don't know me.
Yeah, they don't know you. Molaso.
몰랐어?
Yeah, molaso.
몰라요? No.
Si Mara kilala. Mara kilala mo. Dapat,
Maybe the first time ride Korean
if you're a
driver.
vlogger, it's
Yeah.
free.
Free?
Yes.
No. Just
You're
just
right.
kidding.
Oh, you're
She's
very,
just kidding.
you're joker, You're
Yeah.
joker. You first time to ride Korean driver. Is it your first time?
No.
Alin na?
To ride Korean driver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
first time.
Yes.
Ah, you're Korean, ha?
Oh, yeah. 한국 사람이에요.
Oh.
My daughter is like Korean.
She's the one who
좋아요.
likes
아유,
Korean.
야.
Yeah, 좋아요.
Oh, yeah.
Korean
좋아요.
people.
She knows
Yeah.
a little of Korean.
Korean food.
She watching K-drama a lot, maybe.
Yes.
You teach me Tagalog.
Plenty of drama.
Yeah.
Yeah, you teach me Tagalog.
You say, kamusta?
Yeah,
How are
kamusta?
you?
How are you?
Dagdagan mo na.
How are
How are
you?
you?
Kamusta?
Yeah. Ay, Mariel, dagdagan mo.
What's your name?
Anong pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan
Anong pangalan mo?
mo?
Yeah.
But di ba, you,
Anong pangalan?
Mariel, she talk a Korean. A little Korean.
Yeah, she can speak Korean. 조금만 써.
Chugok. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, 조금만 써.
Say,
Yeah, yeah, continue.
ingat.
인gat. Oh,
Take
인gat.
care.
Take care.
Yeah, ingat, take care.
Take care.
Ha? Every time there is a passenger,
Hmm.
ingat.
Oh, God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you.
Pagpalain.
Hmm?
Pagpalain.
What is that?
Pagpalain, God bless you.
Pagpalain?
Pagpalain ka ng Diyos, God bless you.
Oh,
God means Diyos.
Oh, yeah, 감사합니다.
Yeah. Yeah, sabi ka.
Thank you, 감사합니다.
Salamat. Terima kasih. In Malaysian. Okay?
Hmm?
Okay? Malaysian word.
괜찮아요.
Terima kasih.
What is that?
Malaysian.
What is that?
Terima kasih, thank you.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Yes. That's it. Okay.
What's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name?
이름이 뭐예요?
Yeah,
What's your name?
introduce yourself.
I'm Joy.
Joy.
To
Always
the world.
happy.
Oh, happy. You.
And I'm Dan.
And
I'm Lina.
Mariel.
반갑습니다.
You're fun.
반갑습니다.
She likes Korean people.
Oh, yeah, 만나서 반갑습니다.
저는 셸입니다.
오.
Oh, see?
Wow.
Si Mariel, you talk pa. You talk
I just only the basic.
basic. 저는 Mr. Yu입니다. You.
Yeah, I know you very well.
You know
sir.
me?
Yeah, I know you.
My last name is Yu.
You, why you?
Yeah, you.
Why you?
HYU.
Ah,
Yes,
H-Y-U.
Yeah, you.
You.
Yeah, that's my last name.
Oh.
My first name is
Do you
Ted.
have house here in Manila?
I live in North
EDSA.
Fairview.
North Fairview.
Yeah, North Fairview.
Your own house or you rent?
I'm Oppa.
Upa. Rem.
Oppa. Oppa.
Opa.
House. House.
Rent a house.
Rent a house. Yeah.
Upa.
Wow.
You can buy a house.
Yeah, soon if
If you want.
want.
I'm a real estate agent.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where? What?
I have a client, Korean also.
Hmm.
His wife, Filipina.
Filipino
How much
one.
your upa?
Hmm?
How much your upa
The
here?
house, the
All
house.
my,
Yes.
yeah.
Well, all my.
Yeah. The rent, the
20,000.
Oh, high ah. Very high. You buy your own house.
Oh
So
yeah, I
don't-
get
no
you.
more upa.
I
And you
will
will also you go to upa na you.
I get you kutak na ba? Kutak na ba?
Oh, you contact number.
Hmm?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a real estate, so you can give.
Where is the location?
Here in Sampaloc, alam.
Hmm. Here?
Yeah.
Condo.
Condo there is.
House and lot. We have
Saan ba si
Because I
Bianca?
know.
Where is Bianca's house? Ano?
Otis.
Because we have a
Otis.
business here. We have a business here.
What business?
Shabu.
Oh. Oh.
Shabu
Shabu, hi.
Hot pot.
Yeah.
Oh.
The hot
Oh,
pot. Yeah, hot
Next
pot.
time, don't tell like that,
What?
Shabu.
Why?
Because maybe your
Drugs.
police is your
Oh, yeah,
ano,
mianhe.
is
Yeah.
your
Sorry,
client
sorry.
or your customer.
Shabu shabu.
Shabu shabu.
Hot pot.
Yes.
But you
Because
also
sometimes the police,
Mm.
if you said that, it's not a joke.
Oh, you.
Yeah. So don't say shabu. You say always shabu
How
shabu.
about
Hot
the
pot.
sugal?
sugal
What's
na
sugal?
yun, sugal.
Yeah, sugal. The business sugal.
No, no.
Is it okay?
Casino? No.
Sugal.
Casino, if it is a legal legal place.
Sugal.
Oh,
Sugal.
you give her
Sugal,
a contact
sugal.
number.
Sugar.
Here, sugal. Here, sugal.
You give her a
You're so
number.
funny, huh?
Yeah, we have a business here. Sugar
I
cane.
teach you now.
Sugar cane.
You cannot say always shabu. Shabu.
Shabu
Cause
shabu. Oh, yeah.
the police caught you right
Yeah,
away.
me and he.
Yeah. It's not a joke for them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, just call me you.
Me
You. Hugh. It's why you.
okay.
My last name.
Okay.
My first name is Temon.
Your last name is very
Hugh.
demure.
You buy ano house
Your
and
name
like
what?
here.
You.
No, your
HYU.
name.
It's why you.
HY.
Yeah, that's my last name.
That
Last
is your
name.
your first name.
Temon.
T-E.
Temon.
Ay,
Demon. Okay.
Last name is Hugh.
Okay.
You put the trouble. My name.
Yeah.
Yeah, Temon. Hugh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can put the name Temon. Hugh.
Okay.
Timon you. Your Temon. You Temon.
No.
You Temon.
I-follow na lang kita. I follow you.
Oh yeah, you can follow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Facebook, no?
Later.
Right?
Facebook.
Yeah.
Hindi, ipa-follow ko
You're
siya.
very famous in Facebook.
Oh yeah, Facebook.
But I think
YouTube.
Mall
May
na saw.
messenger.
Mall na saw about you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think they don't know me.
Is your family here?
Hmm?
That's why I'm not.
Your family
My
here?
family
In Korea.
Korea, but I'm single,
Wow!
but ready.
The double.
Get ready to jumingle.
I'm single but ready.
To jingle.
ready to.
Oh, this one, no. You,
I'm ready to have
Don't
a
forget
friend.
that,
Hmm? Oh yeah, this is your name.
Yeah.
Choi.
My messenger,
Joy?
Josephine
Joy.
Joy
Mbok.
Morales.
Choi M.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
My messenger is that, Josephine Joy
If
Morales.
Facebook.
I'm a real estate
Oh
agent.
yeah.
you buy your own house.
I will buy.
Then you
I
will
help
be
you.
the one
Yeah,
to
you help me.
upa.
No need to worry.
No need to
ano.
upa.
But I think you cannot access.
What?
You don't have access to buy house here pala, right? Sorry. Hindi siya pwede bumili. Hindi pa pwede ang foreigner eh.
Foreign alien cannot be.
Foreign
Hmm?
alien.
No.
Yeah.
Cannot be. I'm sorry.
Maybe only upa.
Upa yan.
Upa, yes.
Upa only. Upa house.
But if you have a Filipino wife, you
Hmm.
can buy.
Ah. You know Seoul?
Yeah.
You been Korea? You been Korea?
Ano?
아니요. How about that? No, no. Korea very beautiful.
Yeah. Nice people.
Korean drama is ano?
We have a good.
Nice
good,
also.
Nice.
We have a good scriptwriter.
Yes.
Korean people is nice one.
Yeah, we are nice and also funny.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Funny wala ing. You know.
Joker talaga to.
Joker na eh.
Marhil, tingnan mo ha.
I live in Seoul. You know Seoul?
Sol. Aya.
Korea.
Sultan Kudarat.
Very good.
In Mindanao, I live
Mas
in there.
niloloko pala to sa'yo, Manuel, no?
You're smart. Ha?
Kaya niloloko niya ako, hindi niya ako niloloko. Kasi kilala ko siya.
You're smart.
Ano siya, Mariel? Palo ka niya ng vlogger niya?
Oh, marami na ito nabibiktim eh, no?
Sino?
Ito.
Ah.
We go straight.
Yaya Street. Then the other corner. Turn left. Talo ka pa.
And then Torle.
Yeah.
Kali.
Wa.
Wa.
Kaliwa.
Kanan.
Kanan.
Yeah. Go
Straight. Derecho.
diretso. Good.
Nang alam nito, Mariel.
Are you
Ayan.
gonna post this?
Hmm? Hmm?
You're gonna post this one?
What? This video?
Yeah.
Is you okay to you?
Yes, of
Is
course.
you okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, posting video.
Yes.
Okay ah.
Yes.
No worries.
Sigurado kayo, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sorry
sa'yo ko eh. Kuya naman, ano ba yun?
Pinahirapan ko kayo
Laban na laban pa sila, di ba?
Oo, eh.
Kuya talaga. Dito po.
Saan na tayo?
Dito na
Ayan,
kami.
yan na yung...
Saan dyan?
Ayan na, oh.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. Prankista
talaga.
ka lang to.
Saan yun, Mama Joy?
Korean ba yan, Jen?
Ha?
Hindi.
Ah, pwes.
Kaya nga ako natatawa ko dito
Kuya,
sa
bumili ka pa rin
gilid
sa akin ng
Ay.
property, ah.
So, okay lang ba isama ko sa content ko?
Oh, yes!
Ito yung cameras natin. Tsaka ito.
Ano pa yan? Sa akin pa naman. Nahiya na siya.
Ay, nahiya na si ma'am.
Kuya, bakit siya-
Naghahanap ng mga bahay, mga properties. Ito, contact niyo po si ma'am. Ito yung number niya, oh, screenshot niyo na lang. Si Ma'am Joy na biktima natin at saka yung dalawa sa likod. Ito yung kasabat. Oh. Buti lang, sinasabay-sabayan na lang ako nito. Ang galing. Ang galing.
Thank you po.
Okay,
So,
God bless.
Ay, hindi na, okay na.
Wag.
Hindi na.
No.
Ha?
Thank you, God bless.
Mahalang gas.
No, God bless.
Mahalang gas.
Ay,
Thank you, kuya.
mahal ang gas.
Mahalang gas.
Okay lang.
Thank you po.
Ito, bigyan ako yung sticker.
Ingat, kuya.
Thank you.
Kuya, pakikat
Yan. Search niyo ako sa Facebook, ha?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po, kamsahamnida.
Thank you.
Oh. Bye! Shoutout kay Ma'am Joy sa mga naghahanap ng property. Ayan, dito yung contact number ni Ma'am Joy. Kamsahamnida.
Panggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat, seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na kumadyanto lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate nahuhuli minsan, pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi, kamsahamnida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.